ball. Bunso raw binigay kay Regata. The rookie, Dumanto Bunso. To Rason. 1-1-3. Rason. Yes, correct. Okay, mismatch. Okay, ibaba, defense by Bunso. Binigay kay Melo to Motombo. Motombo to Buendamiana. Yes, correct. Ganda na lang. And God said, are you happy? Yes. Should be happy. But there's your sit down, sit down. Okay, Regata na din the ball. The rookie. Hindi ko sakto na bitawan. Okay, ako na Bunso. Bunso now. Bunso na bago. Regata po, keep! 6-9. Masala Tabara ka na. Okay, number 1 winning the ball. Okay, last 13 seconds. Imad now. Imad, running shot. No basket with ball. Saito. Good play. Offensive foul. Oh, just relax, okay. Natawagan na, okay. 68-66. It's an offensive foul. Okay, hitting the ball. I watch Melo now hitting the ball. Melo ball 3 short. $68-66. Ganda na laro, Marcelo. Okay, to Rason now winning the ball. Number 0. Hindi kasi step back in dyan. Short rebound on. Para sa Pacific. 70-66. Tapos dito by. Ayan, ako si Iman. Iman nakabuelo. Pag nakabuelo ng one step yan, talagang alaman. Okay, 60-70. Okay, Bunso now moving the ball. Bunso to Saito. Okay, substitution. Okay, on the rebound now, Imad. Imad now moving the ball. Ayan, nakakagano na ito. Binigay kay number 1. Nice defense by Rason. Rason, isa. Body contact. Follow, 2 free throws by Rason, first try. Rason. Yes, connect. Check right. Yes, correct. Now they put it in. Still, wala pa rin po yung spreading. Okay, they down now Rason. To Villegas to Rason. Okay, Rason now. Rason, 7-second shot clock. The 3. 12 points siya na. What a nice move by Big Fake Rason. 75-70. Goal shot by Rason. One shot, tingnan natin free throw shot ni Rason. So basket naman on Kobe Bryant. Ito si Kobe Bryant nakabuting naman. Binigay kay Buendamiana. Buendamiana to number 6 to Lucas penetrate. No basket para sa kay Motombo. No basket naman on Legata. Legata natin po sa ito. Bunso, yes! Correct! 77-70. Kung mga ano ito. Okay, number 2 down, Motombo. Holding the ball. Motombo! Offensive foul using your elbow. Okay, Bunso na holding the ball. Nasito sa mga Kobe Bryant. Nakabelo. Kobe Bryant! Okay, counted po tayo. It's a counted. Okay, basket counted. Anspo, basket counted. Yes, it's counted. Anspo counted. Why are you complaining? Okay. Counted, okay. Counted, Anspo. Okay, okay. Okay, 77-7. Number 6. Okay, naman pa rin po Sporting. When Bamiana now. Moving the ball to number 6. Number 6. Oops! Paolo? Ilan na si Villegas? Number 05%, Brennan now doing the ball. Okay, binigay kay Asal to Villegas. Villegas now doing the ball. Rason. Maganda po na yan. Rason Peti! Pagkabala ko yung Bamiana. Pagkabala na po. Okay. Leader number 2. It's a 5 seconds violation. You didn't pass the ball very quick. He's still having the ball by 5 seconds. Legata to Saipo. Basic minute for Swiss. Romano Italiano. Okay, the ball by Luca. Okay, Luca now doing the ball. Luca for 3. Oh, sandali. Easy, take it easy. It's a foul counted. Wala, okay. Ayan, continue the game. In and out, Rabano, Saipo. Saipo now to Rason. Okay, Rason now to pass to Villegas. Saipo follows up. To Rason for 3. No basket down on. Still, it's Sporting ball, 145 team Hoopers. Maganda yan ang masaya, exciting nila. Ordering ball now.
Hey, 3 seconds!
Okay, to Bunso now, Bueno giving the ball. Bunso now setting the play. 5 seconds shot clock. Yun lang. Pull to number 6. Okay, number 6 now. Luca giving the ball. Okay, Luca step back. Oh, got the ball. Motombo. Shot clock. Sporting ball. It is shot clock, Sporting ball. Okay, substitution. Si Pamulitan. Legata out. Bola. Okay. Nasa lang ito. Rosal now winning the ball. Okay, Chubuso nakalusot! Malakas! Binigay by Lucas. Number 6. What an espace to Iman! Iman down straight to Lucas. Luca to number Melo 3. Tusong. Lamano Rosal. Okay, Rosal now winning the ball. Pass to Villegas from Bueno. Rosal to number 2. Rosal now winning the ball. Rosal to Buso. Okay, Buso now shooting. Buso is on the shot 3. So basket. Is a win. Okay, substitution, okay. Iman out. Jersey number 1 in. Okay, found out jersey number 6. Okay, shoutout pala kay Akil ang ating mga Akil. Ikaw pa rin, mashallah. Number 1 now winning the ball, Kyrie Irving. Kyrie Irving for 3. Iman now, rebound on. Villegas. Okay, Villegas now winning the ball. Villegas, correct. Just hit on. 79-78. Okay, 79-78. Kandala na rin, mashallah. Okay, win the ball by number 6. Okay, with a second shot clock. Meron has correct. Ganda naman lang. 80-79. Okay, ganda na lang. Winning the ball by the rookie Buso. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Villegas. Correct. Mashallah. 81-80. Ganda na lang. Paritan ng bola.
Ayun na.
Okay, winning the ball by number 1. Number 1 to number 6. Number 6 jump. No basket. Villegas, Pinares, 83. Time out! Go back to the ball game. Who can now win the ball for Kyrie Irving? Tignan po natin kung ito'y makakabusto. Kyrie Irving na win the ball. Joshi number 1. Ayan. Number 1 now. Ayan, binigay kay Melo to Motombo. Motombo to Kyrie for 3. No, tama mo, Motombo. Motombo to number 6, Pay. And 3, Pay! 83, ganda na lang, exciting, mashallah. May laro talaga ito. Ayan, kabataan lang ni Akil. Ayan. Okay, sabi ka po ng Bunso. Bunso na, to Rason. Okay, Rason na gawin the ball. Rason po, 3. May takas na rin ano. Motombo. Motombo, yes. Okay, tuloy po tayo. Villegas, isang talo, number 6.
Hey, just hold it. Just hold it for 5 seconds.
Okay. Sige, laro lang kayo, laro. Okay. Last pass for you, Saiko. Okay, time out, ha? Green team, no more time out. Okay.
Huwag nila patirahan yung huwag nila pang number 6 siguro.
Okay, we only have 29 seconds left for the last and final quarter. Okay, green team. Ayan, gumawa siya ng strategy. Tingnan natin kung anong strategy ginawa ni Coach Sale. Ayan, Coach Sale, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, gumawa siya. Okay. Umiisip, tumatas ang BP niya, okay? On the inbound now. Melo. Okay. On the inbound now, jersey number 6. Ayan, si Luka. Okay, number 6 to number 1 to Kyrie, number 1. Oops. This is a ball. Green team ball. Okay, 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Okay, so 5 seconds shot clock. No basket. Rebound. Oops. Oops, sandali. Wala pa. And then yung number 3, ang foul sa net. 83 all. Pag napunto siya, magagalaw. Okay. 10 seconds shot clock. Saka mag-rebel tayo sa to. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, extension, 5 minutes, ganda na naman.
Dito na sa